Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see some of the important thing related to the recipe. But first of all, I would like to say it's been a long time that I'm uploading a new videos, and from now onwards I will try to give you guys new videos in every week, right, in ACC or as well as in HANA. In this video we'll learn about the how to fetch the data from the tables, and we'll also learn about the functional specification, that is called FS also, and we'll check the PO tables and smart forms, that what kind of changes you may get at the time of your support project. So in the support project, the FS is the most important thing that we need to know, because due to this only the ABAPer used to know that what kind of changes the clients want, right? So who will write the FS? The functional consultant will write the FS, that is called as functional specification, right? So it is not that difficult, it is very easy. But first of all we have to understand the concept, that how we used to write the functional specification, right? So first of all, for the learning prospect, what we will do today just we simply create a PO. So in the standard PO, after that what we will see, we'll see the release of PO, then Migo and Miro. The simple thing, we'll see that this kind of document will generate. After that we'll find out the data, how we'll find out the same data in the tables, right? So let's create a standard PO. So for that I will use the material code this, and the plant, the vendor, purchase group and the purchase organization that I have already created. And in my previous videos I have explained you guys how to create the hierarchy, or how to create the organizational structure. So first of all, to create the PO, we do have a T code of ME21N, but here we have to create a new standard PO. The same standard PO I will create, and the material what I will use, the material which I have shown you over here, the same material I will use, because for this company I have made only one material, and the purchase organization is 1000, 001 is purchase group, and the company code is a 1000 is the company code, and the plant also I have created with the code of 1000. See, the storage location I will select the finished, not to worry about it. See what is asking for vendor. So vendor, we do have the code of 235 that I have created, the vendor 235. See, the PO quantity is, let's suppose I am purchasing the 5 quantity. Okay, so what is asking actually here right now, click on enter, not to worries. So let's come on the conditions. So is there anything more? Let's check it out. So see, there's no message during the check. What I will do, I will just simply save it, right? 8036 is my PO. Let's copy it, the standard PO, the number is 8036, not any. So now what I will do, I will open the same PO 8036 and I will check the print view. See, the print view is like this. Not to worry about it guys, because the print view, see the what is the smart form it is coming right now, it is fully developed by the ABAP team only. So what we used to do, we used to give some of the in FS, like see. So in the, so after that what I will do, we'll have the T code of ME29N slash n ME29N to release it. Right, we do have the release strategy, paste it here. See, ME29 is the code to release I have configured the release strategy also. No need to worry about it. In the later upcoming videos, I'll let you know how to configure the release strategy. It is one of the most important part, and definitely you will get lots of interest in it, right? After that, /n MIGO, it's for good receipt. So I will receive the goods behalf of the purchase order. And what's my purchase order? 8036 is would be my purchase order. 8036 is simply I have entered it. Let's read the data. Yeah, the data has been read by it. See the delivery note. If you want to give anything, you may give, otherwise no need to give. Other header text and anything you can give. Yeah, no need to worry about it, and just simply post it. See, the material document has been created. That means the material has been posted in our own inventory in the unrestricted stock. So what I will do, I'll just copy. See why I'm copying it, because I will show you guys how to fetch the same data from the tables. That's why I'm copying. Otherwise no need, because all the data would be available over there. I'll show you, but right now I'm copying it because I'll have to show you. Click on enter, and the PO would be 8036, the PO code. Copy, Control V, keep on enter. Receipt VA and the tax okay would be the same. No need to worry about it. Just copy it in MIRO and just paste it, enter the balancing and the simulate. See, the simulation has been done, and what the accounting entry is being hitting over here we can see, and we can post. Yeah, one more thing I would I'd let you know guys, that what are the accounting entries has been generated at the time of MIGO, right? So we'll check through the material document. Via material document we'll check it. So let's copy the material document from here. Just Control C, go to MIGO /NMIGO MIGO, and the display only, the same number, paste. Go to doc info, click on FI document, accounting doc. See, this having two accounting entries has been generated at the time of MIGO. First of all, the inventory, that means the raw material inventory has been debited, and the WRX, that means the good receiving and invoice has been credited, right? So thanks. So thank you. Thanks for watching my video. And if you like the video, please press on bell icon and do subscribe my channel.